So I've put together a working control board for the UV light box, and I have a 2-line LCD screen. It's 16 by 2, and this requires a trim pot as a contrast control. And I also have 5 buttons arranged in a cross pattern, up, down, left, right, and then the middle one is acting as select. I've also soldered up a very basic Arduino, and the Arduino is interfacing to the control board, and then I also have another set of headers that will go out to the light controls. Now, just for the purposes of this demonstration, I've wired up the signal line that would normally go to the relay for the UV lights to an LED so that you can see it turn on. Now, the way that the menu works, and I still have to iron out some kinks with the display, is that I'll press a button to go into various options, and this will allow me to scroll through the options that we have. And I currently have the timer set to 10 seconds. So if I go back up to the start option, I press select to start, and you can see the timer is counting down, and that effectively the relay is turned on for the UV light, and when the timer finishes, the light turns off. As I say, I still have to iron out some kinks in the display and obviously work out the correct time for pressing the buttons, so that we don't have that delay that we just saw. But I'm quite pleased that this is now working. There's a few issues with the soldering that I have, but blame me for that one. This is working fine for me.